All right, I couldn't believe it. We're now at 13,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the subscribers, and we look forward to getting to 100K subscribers very soon. Thank you for the support. Thank you for coming along with me on this journey. This is the TheRilwan YouTube channel. I am TheRilwan. Thank you. My team and I are going to be using 3 different types of softwares on this project. We are going to be using Autodesk CAD, Autodesk Revit, and Sketchup for this project. So come along and share the experience with us. All right. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to the old subscribers, and thank you to the new subscribers. Please make sure to share this video, like this video, comment below if you will. Thank you so much for your support. This is the Catholic Eucharistic room, and this is the room that we are going to be converting into the Muslim prayer hall. This room is about 5,660 square feet. We are going to convert the entrances to become a main hallway with 900 square feet. The green area is going to be the niche Qibla. The yellow area you see here is about 2,800 square feet. It will be for the brothers prayer hall. And the orange that you see here is about 1,900 square feet proposed for the sisters prayer hall. Here is the existing bathroom area. That this existing bathroom will be extended out to serve as a bathroom and an ablution area. Here is a 3-car garage that will be converted into a Muslim body wash area. This area here is the CCD area. I didn't look at the acronym. I didn't know what the definition of that is, but it will be converted to become our daily prayer area for the 5 days. This is the existing plan, and we are using this as a schematic. The area you see down here is the area that we're doing work in, the prayer area, the bathroom and wudu area, the body wash area in the garage, and the small daily prayer room. This is the AutoCAD Autodesk drawing. This is where I start from after reviewing the blueprints, and then now we are redrawing this in AutoCAD. From this AutoCAD, I will take it to Revit. This is the entrance that I'm still developing. I'm working on the entrance and putting the door. I will set the door back into the right location. This purple lines, these are the dimensions of the existing, and all these dimensions, I will have to verify them in field. And that's why we show dimension in every room space that there is, and we go and verify it. This is the wudu area that we're proposing for the space. You can see the existing wall for the existing bathroom and existing toilet. We are now in the hallway, the new proposed hallway, the main bar, and going around in the prayer hall. Just going through the plans. So this is what it looks like. That was that feature that they had before. And yeah, just working through the space. So yeah, you have the prayer space. Now we're going to the residential space. That's the garage right here, and looking at the space of the garage, looking at the dimension of it, the doors, the overhead doors, and everything. Now we're going to suite number 2, and you can see the layout in there, all the dimensions in here, the bathroom, and suite number 3. And you're looking at the layout here with the study area and everything. And now we're going to the rec area. From the rec area, now we're going to the dining room space. And the dimension is here, the kitchen, the suite number 2. Suite number 1. And back into this main space, and this is it right here. Now here's Revit. So I'm not showing you every single line that is being drawn, because then this video is going to be very lengthy if I show every single line that is being drawn. But here is the CAD being brought into the Revit. Now don't be alarmed. The plan is now switched to show the orientation of north. You're looking at the Revit, so everything is now modeled in Revit. This is the slope to all that. You see the bathrooms, you see the new body wash area. That's what you're looking at over here. The garage doors are being, the overhead garage doors are blocked. That's the plastic gurney, the body wash area, the freezer, the table for the prepping and the viewing of the body by the family. This is the bathroom for the person that comes to do the body wash, where he can clean himself before and after the body wash. And the families can also use the bathroom when they come to view the building, also to take their ablution and be able to make the proper prayer that they want for the deceased. And the body's been carried out through here, and you go into the space through a set of double doors to go into the prayer hall, where they can then pray for the body, for the deceased in a mass prayer. So this is the Revit plan, basically. Let me see, I'll walk you through it. There's the bathroom. I'm just going to speed through this a little bit. Now you're looking at a 3D part of it. It's a 3D. And you see that there's a garage that has been blocked down there. And this is all stuff that I put together. And then I'm going to share this with the team, and then the team will then take this and further develop it. One part of the team, I'm going to do the rendering. From the rendering is when you see the finished product, where they take this into sketches. So the other team is going to do that part, where they take this that I've put together to do that. So myself and one other team member put this together, because my time does not allow me to draft as much as I used to. Even though I love it, but I have to do my due diligence on other projects that I do have, and so I do rely heavily on my consulting staff that I do have on my team to take my ideas and my design from one stage to the next stage, following the directions that I've laid out for them. So this is it right here. So you're looking at we can say isometric or 3D view of the space. Let me turn the roof off so you can see the beams and the joist girders and the joist in the space. And turn the roof off. This is the living area / the office area that's been turned off. And turn the roof off. That's the social area that I'm turning the roof off. And now you can see inside the space. This is the heavy beams that holds the joist girder that you see on the structural drawings that I showed you, the existing structural drawings. We need to draw all this up in order to be able to identify how to use the space the right way, the ceiling heights. We just cannot do anything blindly. This is the body wash area. You're looking at that's the little horse that goes back and forth and bring the body in and take the body out. And you're looking back here, this is the office area. That's the prayer area. That's the lobby that you see there. Yeah. And let's just turn this around so you can see better. And there was the steps to take you to the platform. All that is going to be demolished. So you're going to see some other still renderings that I've done to show you how everything's going to be flat. So that's what you're seeing in here. I'm going to speed through this a little bit. There you go. So this kind of view that you're looking at. And now you see the back joist. In this view, you can see that. You see the space. You see the main area and the sisters area, the back there. And you look at all those. Yeah. So this is Revit showing you all the components. So we definitely would just you build this as if you're actually building the real thing. And this is it. This is the plan right here. You're looking at. That's the main entrance over there, and the toilets. And let's see, maybe I can do a view in the toilet. I probably can do something. Let me open up another Revit. I do multiple Revits, and they all overlay So that way the file is not too big to work with, and I don't, because when the file is too big, what happens is it starts crashing on me. Another plan right here where I heavily focus on the bathrooms. There you go. All right. So here's one of the tricks of Revit where everything is drawn. And now you can now cut the building into sections. You can pull a string out and in to see different areas of the building. So let me pull this one over here. Let me find that little dot. It's down here somewhere. Let me zoom into it. I think it's right there. There you go. Now you see when I pull this out, then you start to see different portions of the building, and that's what this does for you. And then the same way you pull it out, you can also pull it down. Let me find that grip again. And see, there you go. Now we're all the way into the outside. Let's see. And then you can bring it down, and you can cut through, slice through the building, and then you can see the areas of the building again even better. So those are the things that you can play with to get an understanding. Now you can see the separation of the man and the female prayer area, and then you can see the main bar back there. Here's a main bar right here, the platform, the way to get into it. That's what you're looking at over here. And this is the sisters area and the men's area. That's the entrance to the men and the entrance to the sisters. Yeah, that's the social area. Now let me open up another one here. I want to put the one for the bathroom so I can just show you a pretty view of the bathroom. So here's the plan. So here, this is basically the working drawing where I can click on any of this arrow and go to this section of it, and I can see this section of the building. Cut through, nice and easy, straightforward. Go to another section. Let's take this one right here. And let's go to the view. Let's go to that view, see what that looks like. There you go, voila. Now here you can see the slope and this is the proposed platform now, the new leveled floor that we're going to be having. And here's the existing slope down here that will be demolished or be taken care of, and that's a platform. And you can see the space. Let's try another one here. Let's look at the main bar. There's a full elevation of the main bar. This is the design of the niche where the imam or the person the khatib delivering the sermon will stand. That's where they go in. This is the platform, and this is just different nooks for them to keep the symmetry. Let's pick another one. Let's pick this one right here. That view. Yeah, you can see the overall, and yeah, we can now see that we have enough room to move the ceiling height to 11 feet 6 inches. We have a good play there, which is a good height to have. Ideally, I want a 12, but I don't want to push it because you still have the mechanical stuff coming in, and you have the lights that are coming in above. So we had to do that 11, 6. So there you have it in a nutshell. This video is running a little long. I'm probably will do this in 2 parts. And this is just a typical wall section. You see what's going on with the wall. This is an existing wall section. And just zoom through this. Now here's the elevation of these typical sections. Now let's take a look at one of the elevations for the wudu area. Click on this, go to that view, see it. This is the cool thing about Revit, that you can do stuff like this and you can go see the view of what you're doing in either elevation or isometric, and you get a feel for the space. That was that. Hope this part is not too boring for you. There you go. On the next video, I want to show, this is just a walkthrough, a quick walkthrough that I just do to go through the space. I'll show you that in the next video. All right. Here's a quick walkthrough that I put together. Here's the plan on the left side of me on the screen. And this is the work path where the camera is going to go through the space for me to get a feel of the movement through the space. And on the right of me here is the camera. So let's play this and see how it feels to go through the space. The main hallway, going through into the prayer hall, the men's prayer hall. You inside the men's prayer hall. The little hole you see in the ceiling is just the domes. That's what we're gonna put in there in the future. There's a minbar, and we're going through and in the space of the man, just getting a feel of how it feels in there. Into the sisters area, and you're looking back at the minbar from the sisters area, and you're all good. That is awesome. Great walk. That is it right there in a nutshell. This is the rendering of the exterior and interior shots. Let's enjoy them. All right. Here we have the construction document. After the client has approved the schematic plans, we then go into full construction document drawings. This is the drawings that will be submitted to the city for their review so that we can obtain a construction permit for the remodeling of the space. Here is the architectural set of the construction document. I don't want to bore you by bringing up the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing set into this vlog. On this particular Videopad 4, I will be walking you through the construction drawings, particularly just on the architectural part of it. We did a full MEP. If you want to see the MEP, let me know in the comment below, and I'll put a MEP package together. The MEP stands for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing drawings that I can make a presentation for you on that, but I just don't want to bore you too much with this fun presentation for me that might not be fun for you, but it's just an educational part, me taking you on the journey sharing my experience with you as a designer on this particular church to a mosque transformation project that we are currently working on. Here is the architectural set of the project that you're looking at. We have the index, and in the index sheets we have, on the cover sheets we have the code. On this project, the building code is a 2015 International Building Code, IBC, and so it is for the mechanical, for the plumbing, and for the electrical. This is what this job would be adhering to, and of course for the fire life safety code, this is what we are going by. That is it for the cover page. You have the general notes and all the abbreviations that is pertaining to the project. And let's go to the next page. The next page is the site drawing, existing condition. This is the footprint of the building that we are doing a renovation on just a few parts of the building, not the whole building. And this is the grassy area. The wetland is over here, and you have the parking here. And this is more of the code review information that we have to do the due diligence to go through the code and make sure that the building as it is today complies with the code. And we are saying here the construction type is type 2A existing, and the sprinkler, there's no sprinkler there today, but that might change. They might make us do sprinkler as we go along. So this is all the information that we need to put on the drawing, that we did our due diligence to make sure that everything is code compliant, and we'll put that chat over here on the page so that the reviewer can see that we did our due diligence. This is just a general page, and this is the existing foundation. We are not touching the existing foundation. However, in the new location, we might be digging out portion of the existing concrete slab to put a new slab that will be leveled in the building. The general contractor will let us know what is a viable value engineering option to do to keep this project within a good cost. Here is the existing drawing, which I will show you in a later video the process of me putting this together in CAD, AutoCAD, which is a computer aided drawing, Autodesk AutoCAD, and this was all drawn in AutoCAD, and we went and field verify that our dimensions are correct. We have to do all this to make sure that we are complying with code and we're not cutting corners. This is the walls that the dotted area are the walls that we're demoing, things that we're going to be demolishing. This is the existing bathroom. There should be a dotted line right here because we're cutting a hole through the existing wall to create the new ablution and extended bathroom area. This is the main area, the men's bathroom. You see the urinals and the water closet and the hand sinks. And for the prayer hall, we are demolishing the existing concrete steps to be removed, and the frame wall that we have, that's like a furniture piece that was existing in the church, that's all going to be demolished. And that's what we're showing on this drawing. What is going to be taken out, we have where we are doing the body wash, which is the existing garage, and we're telling them that this doesn't going to be removed, it's going to be infilled. So this is that information on the existing floor plan that we'll be doing. We're going to the existing roof. We're not doing much in the existing roof. We just call out some areas that we are going to be doing some existing things to be removed, and not a whole lot. Let me keep going on this. I'm not going to bore you with this. And this is the proposed foundation. in the areas that we're touching. We're not doing much in those areas, and we're showing that we are doing something here. Existing concrete to be removed. We're going to put new concrete there. And this is the proposed floor plan. We have the Gusu, which is the body wash area for the deceased, for the Muslim deceased. This is showing that those garage doors have been infilled. You have the table for washing, the gurney for moving around, transporting around, the freezer, excuse me, and the shower area. I will explain more of this in the Revit drawing. This is just to show you everything that goes into a construction document. And we keep going. And this was further developed to show the dimensions and more specifications. This is the reflective ceiling plan. And we just go do a quick rundown, go through this whole thing for you to see. So this is it in a nutshell. This is the month of May. This is the month of graduation. Congratulations to all the graduates out there. Please do not handicap yourself. Do not be short-sighted. Go get your dream. Welcome to part 3 of transforming this beautiful church to a beautiful, stunning mosque. Part 1 and part 2 are in the description below. See that bug trying to get me? Man, please. Hello, salam alaikum sir. So my plan do they can find any information, but and ti àwọn afa náà do they respond me. While office is a lot of drawings Timo for me, and I have to go through them to get an understanding for the building. The building was built in 1975. There was a change made in 1976 according to the drawings. Another change made according to the drawings again in 1976, and then there's another change again in 1984. There is an addition that was put in place stored in the drawings. So I really have to be very careful to go through the drawings and then know what to use and what we're going to take, and then come and verify that stuff with the building out there. So I am working on this to get you some answers soon. And this is the existing drawing that was done in 1975. And this is the PDF print that was done from the blueprint. Now we are looking at the second sheet. As I told you, this is the hallway. We're going down the hallway of the residential part. This is the garage, the 3-car garage. That's the first overhead door for the garage. Second overhead and third overhead door, and that door leads to the residential part. All right, we're in the garage part of it. We kind of set up for our alarm. The alarm isn't going off for a little minute. It's one of the fire alarms, so we're gonna make this real quick in here. This is the 3-car garage, 1, 2, 3 bays of garage. Will be converted into a body wash area. Now we're going to the hallway, the second hallway of the space. That takes us into another hallway. The hallway leads into the bedroom. This will be bedroom. We'll be putting on a designer hat, not a construction project manager's hat on this project. Hopefully, I will gain that opportunity to be the construction project manager when that time comes. But right now, it's going to be design time. Let's go. This behind me is the 20,000 square foot church building that I have the privilege to convert the design of it to a mosque. While I designed this building, taking it from one use to another use, from a church to a mosque. and you are going to be there with me as I go along with this. My company, ROM Design, is the design of record, and LA Design is the architect of record. Join us as we take you through the journey of designing this building, taking it to permit, and then taking it to construction. We will take off the hat of construction management and we'll be putting on a designer hat. That's the next thing. I want to walk you through the building. We are going to do a drone shot around the building, and then we'll go inside the building and I'll walk you through the building, and then later on we'll talk about the design of the building. This indeed is a privilege to be a part of this project. Thank you. Come along for the ride. All right, this is the main entrance to the building. I know I said drone shot, but I don't have a drone yet. Soon come. But this is a drive around the building, and we're leaving the main entrance, and this is the secondary entrance that you're looking at over here. And then this is a screened in area for the safety of the kids or the residents that are going to be in the space. So this is just a screen wall. When we go into the building, you will get a chance to see what's behind the fence. So this fence is just a screen to enclose the garden area. This is the side of the building going around. This is the secondary parking lot right here, and this actually access the other side of the building coming into the prayer space. You have these 3 garages. 2 of these garages